Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the movement today. Very nice way to end the week, and updates definitely need to be done. Done this analysis several times before, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines down here. Sure, those levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. Well, the newest areas of support, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So yeah, going into the day, that area right up around the 1305-ish mark was that resistance, but you can very clearly see once the price got the break of it right there, that just unleashed that much more momentum. So that is one of the newest areas. But what I'm going to do here is adjust this level of support upwards, which I should note. Whenever levels of support need to be adjusted in the upwards direction, assuming you're bullish, that's always a good sign of power. But what I would now consider the ideal level of support, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? Well, that would be if the price can stay above 1325. Now, if the price falls below that level, doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed. But if it can stay above there, that would definitely be a great sign of power. From the overarching standpoint, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So when it comes to just gauging the health of the overall price movement, that right there being defined as the overall movement, just watch that purple line. And as long as the price stays above the line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, the bulls 100% are still in full ownership of the chart. As far as levels of resistance, very straightforward here. Just a question of, okay, well, where did the party and momentum finally stop today? And that was up there right around $13.65. So $13.65, public enemy number one headed into next week. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Monster volume, great price movement. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.